Hey guys, Traveling Mayhem here. We are at the Grand Sierra Resort in Reno, Nevada. We're gonna give you a quick room tour. So yeah, here we go. So from the front entrance, we have a big 2-door closet. As you can see, 2 doors here. Comes with hangers. So obviously we got clothes already in there. They provide, looks like probably like 6, 7, 8 hangers. So here's the closet's big. Got your ironing board and your iron. And then we'll rotate. Got the bathroom here, which is nice. The shower is the best part for sure. As you can see right here, it's got one of those double head door or double head shower heads right there. One you can pull off and one you can do. Great shower. Bathroom, obviously, at the toilet. And then they got a nice big mirror with great lighting. Hello. All the towels and stuff down there. Obviously we use some stuff, so that's why it's there. Rotate over here, that's the connecting door. If you get a room, you can connect. On the right here, big open space. You can pretty much do whatever you want. Big mirror right there. We got your alarm clock with your 2 USB ports and 2 regular ports, so that's good. Perfect for those that have lots of toys here. Plenty of storage space right in here. We got the big king size bed. It's the, we'll put it on the screen here what room we got. So you could check that out and look what you're booking. Other side, 2 beautiful little relaxing chairs you could sit around that table. My wife was doing her schoolwork here. Great thing, especially when you got a view like this right outside your window, the beautiful Reno, Nevada mountains. So we'll keep rotating here. Beautiful lights, big TV, do pretty much anything. Lots of storage again. There's 4 of those on that side. Got nice little chairs, got your trash, more USB ports, and then a wall plug as well under the lamp. Obviously, we're Valentine's weekend, so there's chocolates, some flowers, some of our stuff. Do have a fridge though. It's not meant for food though. They pretty much warn you, don't put food in here. It's barely like medium cool. Like it's cooler outside. So yeah, and then you got your safe. And yeah. That's the room. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Grand Sierra Resort, 10 out of 10, we loved it.